Before jump starting your car, make sure you have 2 jump leads, a black negative lead and a red positive lead, another car with a charged battery, and gloves and goggles for extra safety. For safety reasons, double check the battery isn't damaged or leaking. If it is, don't try a jump start, get a professional's help. There's no metal items or clothing near the battery. There's no naked flames, including cigarettes nearby, and make sure the key is out of the ignition. Park the car with the charged battery opposite the car that has the flat battery so the bonnets are facing one another. Pop the handbrake on. Next, open both bonnets and check the jump leads reach between the cars. Find the positive terminal on the working car. It should look like this. Connect the red positive jump lead to the positive terminal on the working car, checking that the teeth grip the terminals properly. Then, connect the other end of the red jump lead to the positive terminal on the car with the flat battery. Next, attach the black jump lead to the working car's negative terminal. Head to the car with a flat battery, but don't attach the other end of the lead to the negative terminal. You'll need to find a piece of solid metal far away from the fuel system and battery to attach the black lead to. In some cars, this is a specific earthing rod. Check your handbook to find out if your car has one. Now both jump leads are connected, wait 5 minutes. Now start the charged car's engine and let it run for 1 minute. Leave this engine running and try to start your car. If it doesn't start within 5 seconds, give it 2 more minutes and try again. Once your car is started, leave both cars running for 10 minutes. After this, remove the leads in reverse order, making sure they don't touch one another or any metal in the process. Black lead attached to the flat car off, black lead attached to the working car off, and then red lead attached to the working car off. Finally, leave the previously uncharged car running for 20 minutes or take it for a 30-minute spin before parking it for the day. Don't forget, Halfords has a professional battery fitting service for a small fee. You can also view the full range of Halfords batteries online or in store.